again, guys. We're back.
We're not back, we're front.
Okay. So after like how many minutes, we're back again. After eating
minutes, you know, it was like just 20 seconds.
Okay, don't say that. Oh.
Okay, not seconds.
Seconds. Okay, sige na.
Okay.
Tell me your experience about Hagimit
What
Falls.
did you feel when you were in the Hagimit Falls? Did you
Did
fall down or fall up?
fall sideways?
Sound trippy.
You speak. You're eating cake all the time. Look at the cake. It's a disaster. Because Martin Snow stopped it all.
Wow.
It looks like a secret, you know. It
How
looks-
about poo-poo?
No!
You're so cochino, you know.
I'm eating,
What's
you
cochino
know.
in English?
Gross.
Gross.
That's what that thing that
Very
we
good.
were talking about the Hagimit Falls, not the
Okay.
cake.
Yeah.
So what,
And that's
what am I
Martin's
gonna
nose.
say? The Hagimit Falls was really amazing. Amazing. Really amazing. More amazing than Martin's nose size. You know, it's so big and Hagimit Falls is larger. But Martin's
And
nose
longer.
managed to suck it all again.
Suck it all off.
Yeah, you know, he can work for the maintenance of the of the falls when there are dirt.
Oh, the resource. Just as simple as that.
Yeah, like, and then the water will like,
How is that?
it will just come out, you know, just naturally, like cold,
Without any effort.
like mucous membrane when you're having cold. Effortless. You don't say T. Effortless.
Okay.
Effort.
And then move on.
Effort. What else? And we're now here in Samal Island, where the Samal
And that's
are
all?
actually.
That's all your Hagimit experience?
My Hagimit experience was.
Oh my god! My lucky closet!
Oh my god, my Hagimit experience. And I walked in the Hagimit Falls. And I walked out. The Hagimit Falls.
How about you? What can you say about that?
I'm so speechless right now.
I saw this girl.
And-
You saw that girl, right?
Yeah, the girl with the big boob. One boob only.
There! Another thing is he's interchanging B and P. Which is boob, not Betty Boop, but boob, as in boob. Like
As in boob, like that.
No, like don't. It's
Censored.
Yeah, go back.
Okay, continue.
Okay, you saw this girl with a big boob.
With a big boob, and she was like, you know, and then I ran away.
Because you were scared.
Yeah.
Because you're not into movies. Yeah, you're into penis.
What did you say?
And hey, by the way, I asked Martin this morning what he really has, either a penis or a vulva, and he was like, vulva.
Of course. Why did you ask that?
That's a
Ridiculous question.
And then what else? We're here in the Samal Island Elementary School. Yeah, where the little Samals are.
Wait, there are no Samals in here.
I'm not joking.
joking.
I'm joking.
Subconsciously you said
It's
that.
the Peña
Okay, you can see that.
Peña Planta.
Wait.
There are kids all around. It will be a shock if there are adults playing around there. It's an
In elementary school.
Right? And there is the home of Don Zulueta.
Where?
Invisible home, actually. So you really can't see it. You
Yeah.
have to like go
Guess
in the
it.
dark, guess if it is there or here or in Martin's nose. But most of the time it's in his nose.
Okay, explore Martin's nose.
It's actually locked. Right now there are security guards outside who are guarding the mansion, so it's really hard to access. And
Yeah.
where are we right now?
We're at Samal Island.
And we're
Samal
going to the barge.
Cities?
To the barge. To the barge. Because we are barging, of course. What do you do in a barge?
Barging.
You don't dance, right? You
Yeah.
don't sing, you barge.
Yeah.
You go barging.
Okay, I agree with you.
And really, I don't know what to say anymore.
Okay, say goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
That's
Thank you
enough.
for watching.
My English is like,
What?
what's that? Like Martin's nose. It's sucked up.
Sucked up. Princess.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for listening.
See you again.
Watching. I mean.
Ako na?